All right, we're going to pick up here where we're going to copy and paste the shape. So you want to select the trapezoid shape and then click the copy button. So if you go to the Home tab, right here, click that. And then click the paste button to insert a duplicate trapezoid shape on the slide 5. So just click paste, and now we have a duplicate there. Drag the new trapezoid shape to the left side of the slide, so we're going to drag it over here. Alright, with the left trapezoid shape selected, type remembers your preferred, it's hard to see it, temperatures. Then we're going to click the oval shape and we're going to type turns itself up or down. So turns itself up or down. Turns. I'm going to move this up so we can see it. Turns itself up or down. Remembers your preferred temperatures. And then the right trapezoid, we're going to put can be controlled from anywhere. Using phone, tablet, or laptop. I'm going to try to zoom in here. Okay, using phone, tablet, or laptop. Just check it and make sure it looks right. Alright, now select the trapezoid if necessary. Press and hold shift and then click the oval and then select the trapezoid shape. So let's do that. So I'm going to select press Control, select all 3 of those shapes. Alright, and we're going to go to Home, and we're going to go to Font, and we're going to go to Bold. And then we're going to click the Text Shadow button box. And click the font arrow and click dark blue, the 9th color in the standards covered row. So, alright. And then we want to increase the font size to 20 point. Alright, to change a shape fill color. So you're going to click the arrow shape to select it. And then click the shape fill arrow. So you're going to go to the drawing. And then we're going to do the shape styles group. let's see. Click the arrow to select it. Click the shape fill arrow. Okay, so right here, and then point to the green, which is the sixth color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color. So now we have the green arrow. And then click a blank area of that slide outside of the arrow to deselect it. All right, and then what it says, if you want to take a break, you can take a break here, but make sure that you save it as SC PowerPoint 2 Energy PowerPoint X. So I'm going to save that real quick, and you can do the same. All right, this section is going to show you how to position slide elements. So let's go ahead and start with this. All right, so we're going to display the drawing guide. So with the slide 5 display the view tab. So you're going to click on view, then click the guides checkbox. So show group. So show group, and then we're going to select the guides check. So that one. And this is to place a check mark in the box and to display the horizontal and vertical guides. So that's what we have right there, is the horizontal and vertical guides. So now we're going to click the ruler checkbox. So if you go to view tab and show, we also want to do the ruler. So now that we have that ruler up there. So with slide 5 displaying, click the grid lines checkbox. So we're going to click that. So now we have the grid lines as well. All right, so now we're going to start positioning the shapes. If you position the pointer on the horizontal guide, let's see. We want the pointer to change to a double-headed arrow and drag the horizontal guide to 3 inches. So the horizontal guide to 3 inches. Let's just see what it looks like. This, okay. All right, so we want it to be 3 inches below the center. So right here. Okay, like that. So the horizontal guide is at 3, which is intended location of the shape's bottom border. Position the pointer on the vertical guide in a blank area of the slide. So the vertical guide. And then it wants you to, you want to move it 5 inches to the left of the center. So right here. Now, drag the left trapezoid shape so that its lower left corner touches the intersection of the vertical and horizontal guides. So right there. Oh, correction, that's the center. It's right here. Okay, so that it touches right where this is the horizontal guide and this is the vertical guide. All right. Drag the vertical guide to 2 left of the center. So your vertical guide is going to be 2 left of the center. So until you see 2. And select the oval shape and then position it so its lower left corner touches the intersection of the vertical and horizontal guides. So let me make sure that that's right. Lower left corner, let me make sure that we did this one right. 2 inches to the right of the center. I don't know if I did that. Drag the vertical guide to left of the center. I did that. Select the oval shape and position. All right, drag the vertical guide to right of the center. So our vertical guide, I think it is right here, to right of the center. Okay. Select the right trapezoid shape and position it so its lower left corner touches all right. So that looks pretty easy. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to select these. So hold down Control and select all 3. Let me undo that because I think I selected something that shouldn't have been. All right, so all 3 are selected. So you're going to go to the shape format is where I had to go. And then arrange group. Okay. Then let's see if we can group. Let's say align objects, and let's click align to slide, which it was selected. And we did the group. I think we were supposed to do the group. But I think it's okay because we did align and we did. All right. So now we want to click so it will be aligned. We want to distribute horizontally to adjust the spacing. So when you go to arrange, align, we want to distribute horizontally so that we adjust the spacing between these. All right, and I am just going to select this again just to make sure. Hold down Shift, and I'm going to, it never hurts to double check. So there's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one. Arrange, align, distribute horizontally. Now, see, it wasn't doing that earlier. And now it's distributed horizontally across the page. So in the next video, we'll pick up at 2, 5H.